Hello, I'm going to say the letter and then the sound, and then you will say the letter and the sound. Letter Q. Your turn. Sound. Very good. Letter I. Sound. I. Your turn. Sound. I. Good job. Letter F. Sound. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter N. Sound. N. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Very good. Letter Z. Sound. Z. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter K. Sound. K. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Next. Letter. Letter B. Sound. B. Your turn. Sound. Good job. Letter O. Sound. Ah. Your turn. Sound. Very good. Letter X. Sound. X. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter Y. Sound. Y. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter V. Sound. V. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Very good. Letter R. Sound. R. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Very good. Letter H. Sound. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter G. Sound. G. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Very good. Letter L. Sound. L. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter S. Sound. S. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Very good. Letter W. Sound. W. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter E. Sound. Eh. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. My turn. Letter U. Sound. Ah. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter J. Sound. J. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. You're doing so good. Letter D. Sound. D. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Letter C. Sound. K. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Very good. Letter P. Sound. P. Your turn. Letter. Sound. Good job. Put your hand on your back and say, wow, I'm doing so good. You sure are doing so good. Now, this is where we're going to do rhyming. I'm going to say 2 words, and then you say 2 words, and you say the ending sound that rhymes. All right, we're ready. Loose goose. Your turn. And the ending sound is oose. Very good. Next 2 words. Sky high. Your turn. And the ending sound is high. Is it sky high I? You're right. The I at the end makes it rhyme. All right, next 2 words. Lucky ducky. Your turn. What's at the end? Ucky. Very good. Next two words. Pack, black. Your turn. And the ending sound is ack. Very good. Next two words. Blue, shoe. You say it. And the ending sound is ooh. Very good. Next two words. Green, bean. Your turn. And the ending sound is een. You're right. Good job. Next two words. Less, mess. Your turn. Ending sound is S. Very good. Next two words. Sock, rock. Your turn. Ending sound is awk. Very good. Then, men. You say it. The ending sound is, I heard N. Very good. That's the rhyming. Now the next two words. Gum, yum. Your turn. The ending sound is Very good. Now we're going to do the beginning sound. Get your hand up so you know that in your brain you're doing the beginning sound. Good job. This is the word. I'm going to say it, then you say it. Bus. What's the word? The beginning sound is B. The first sound you say is the beginning sound. Next word, camp. What's the word? Beginning sound is K. Very good. Do. What's the word? What's the beginning sound? D. Very good. Do. You said D first. Good job. Next word, foot. What's the word? Beginning sound is? Good job. Good job. Next word, give. What's the word? Beginning sound is G. You're right. Next word, home. What's the word? Beginning sound is? Excellent job. I heard you say it right before me, and that's your goal. Jug. What's the word? Beginning sound is J. You're right. Good job. Next word, kind. What's the word? The first sound is K. You're right. Good job. Look. What's the word? Beginning sound is L. Good job. Mine. What's the word? Beginning sound is Very good. Now I'm going to say two words. You're going to put them together as a compound word. Sunlight. You're right. Sunlight. Very good. Downtown. Downtown. Good job. You're saying it right before me. Headache. Headache. Very good. Spaceship. Spaceship. Very good. Sunday. Sunday. Very good. Cookbook. Cookbook. You've got it. Night time. Nighttime. You're right. Playroom. Playroom. You've got it. Doorway. Doorway. Wow, you're doing a great job. Put your hand in your back. Say, I'm doing so good. You are. We're going to do the ending sound. Get your hand up so your brain knows you're doing the ending sound. All right, I say the word and then you say the word and then you say the very end sound. All right, here we go. Squeeze. What's the word? What's the last sound? Zzz. Very good. Squeeze. There's the last sound. Very good. Scrub. What's the word? Last sound is B. Very good. I heard you say it right before me. Mile. L was the last sound. Good job. Listen. Half. What's the word? Half was the last sound. Good job. Rain. What's the word? Last sound is? You've got it. Good job. Charge. J was the last sound. Good job. Lake. K was the last sound. Good job. Ride. D was the last sound. Good job. Team. What's the last? The word is team. Say the word. Last sound is Good job. Dig. What's the word? Last sound is G. Very good. Now I'm going to say a compound word, 2 words together, and you're going to take them apart and say the 2 words. All right, here we go. Afternoon. Good job. I heard you say afternoon. Very good. Baseball. I heard you say baseball. Good job. Eyelid. I heard you say eyelid. Very good. Nighttime. I heard you say nighttime. Good job. Airport. You said airport. Good job. Overnight. I heard you say overnight. Good job. Grandma. I heard you say grandma. Good job. Bedspread. I heard you say bedspread. Classroom. I heard you say classroom. Good job. Next word. Schoolwork. Very good. Schoolwork. Good job. This word is bedtime. I'm taking the bed away and I'm putting a night. So now it says night. You're right. Nighttime. Very good. If this is nighttime, I'm taking night away and I'm putting any. So now it says anytime. Good job. If this is anytime, I'm taking any away and putting some. Now it says some. Very good. Sometime. If this is sometime, I'm going to take, this is sometime, I'm taking some away and putting day. So now it's day. Good job. Daytime. If this is daytime, I'm going to take day away and going to put bed. So now it's bed. Good job. Bedtime. Awesome. You're doing so good. Great work. You're getting it.